Alright, I just got this in the mail. It says it's the ball and ring hitch lock. Go ahead and unbox it for you guys. Looks like it shows the one I have right there. It says it'll fit all of them. It says universal for both ball and ring type hitches of any size. Right, here's the keys. Take that rubber band off. This is what the keys look like. Looks like it comes locked. Well, you have to unlock that. Get rid of that box. You guys can still see. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and install it real quick. So I'm going to turn the camera down. Looks like it's going to go in there like that. This is going to go like that. Around, tight. Seems like it's going on there a little loose for me. It's on there. So it's going to be. Now, before I got this, I actually looked at a lot of reviews, and there's other types that come over. Those look a lot more easier to cut off. And the only issue with this is everybody was complaining about these screws right here. And you can see that they have that little thing in there now. It looks like the old ones didn't. So it looks like they have tried to update it to make it where you can't put any type of Allen wrench in there. Now it looks like it's a certain special one that they don't give you. So that may have made it a little bit harder. But you can also take a JB weld, kind of stick that in there and make it flush and let it harden. Again, this isn't, even this I don't think is going to be where like people can't take it. I'm totally believing that if someone wants it bad enough, they're going to get it. So this is mainly to keep honest people honest. Thieves, when they're driving around and they see a trailer, they're like, oh, I'm going to hook that up to it. But then just seeing this, that little deterrence may keep them away from it. But again, if they've already made plans and set it up and they've been eyeing that trailer or whatever they're getting into for a few days, they're probably going to get in it. So I'm not going to test this out on trying to break it or anything like that, but I think it looks like it's going to be a pretty good lock. Does seem like it's working pretty good. Tight I can get that. There we go. But it looks like it's staying on there. I'm sure I can probably beat on it and crank it sideways or do something, but again, mainly it's going to be those two screws I think everyone's complaining about. And honestly, I think they would have to come prepared and already have that screws and know what size it needs to be, yada yada yada. So I hope I have pretty good luck with this lock. So there you guys have it, and I got this on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description. They also have other places that you can go and get it. It says it's the equipment company. It'll focus. You guys might have to zoom in because if I come too close, it'll get out of focus. But they have a phone number, 565-4887, and then it's www.equipmentlock.com. So I guess I'll go ahead and leave them comments. Is this what you went with or what lock that you went with? But this is what I went with. So I'm going to try this out for a while, and if it works good, this is what I'm going to stay with. See you guys later. Girl might want to see this.
Stop forgetting! What you doing? He's gonna get his ass busted. That's the boy goes. You're gonna get your ass whooped.